Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been highly requested: how to create a slow DNS server and set it up with HTTP Injector. This method can be a game changer for those looking to enhance their internet experience. Before we jump in, make sure to check out our blog for more VPN updates and hidden tricks. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First things first, we need to create our server account. This is where all the magic begins, so pay close attention. Open up your favorite browser. In the search bar, type VPN Jantit and hit enter. Look for the official VPN Jantit website in the search results. It should be the first link. Click on it to access the home page. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner. See that menu button? Give it a click to open up a list of options. In the menu list, you'll see an option that says Free VPN right at the top. Click on that. A new window will pop up. In this new window, look for and click on SSH Tunnel. This will take you to a page where you can select your desired location. Now you'll see a list of available server locations. Take a moment to choose the one that works best for you. Consider factors like proximity or specific country requirements. After selecting your location, you'll need to choose how long you want your server for. Options typically include 1 day, 2 days, or 7 days. Select what suits your needs. Click on Username SSH Tunnel. A new page will open where you'll need to create your account credentials. Choose a unique username and a strong password. Don't forget to fill out the reCAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once you've filled in all the required fields, hit that Username SSH Tunnel button again. The system will process your request, and in just a few seconds, your server account will be ready. This step is crucial, so listen up. You'll be provided with several pieces of information. Make sure to copy and save the following: your username, password, the name of the server, and the public key. You'll need these later, so store them somewhere safe and easily accessible. Great job! Now that we have our server account set up, let's move on to installing the HTTP Injector app on your device. Grab your Android device and open up the Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, unfortunately, HTTP Injector isn't available, so you'll need to use an Android device or emulator for this tutorial. In the Play Store's search bar, type HTTP Injector. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official HTTP Injector app. It should have a good rating and a large number of downloads. Once you've found the correct app, tap on it to open the app page. Now hit that Install button. The app will start downloading and installing on your device. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. All right, we're in the home stretch. Let's configure HTTP Injector with the server details we saved earlier. Once the installation is complete, open the HTTP Injector app. You'll be greeted with the home screen. Look for an arrow icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this to open the configuration page. On this page, you'll see two main sections: tunnel type and connection form. For tunnel type, we don't need to change anything, so leave it as is. In the connection form section, tap on it and select DNS from the options provided. Now, let's head back to the home page. Look for a gear or cog icon at the top of the screen. This is your settings button. Tap on it to open up the advanced settings. In the settings menu, find and tap on Secure Shell SSH. Here, you'll need to enter the username and password you saved from when we created the server account. Double check that you've entered these correctly. After saving your SSH settings, go back to the main settings menu and look for DNSTT. Tap on it to open the DNSTT configuration page. This is where you'll paste the server name and public key that we saved earlier. Make sure you copy and paste these exactly as they were provided to avoid any connection issues. Once you've entered all the necessary information, head back to the home page of the app. You're all set. Now simply tap the Start button on the home screen. If you followed all the steps correctly, HTTP Injector will establish a connection to your slow DNS server. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully created a slow DNS server and set it up with HTTP Injector. you should now be enjoying a faster, more secure browsing experience. Remember, this method can be incredibly useful, but always use it responsibly and in accordance with local laws and regulations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.